Hi everyone, so today I'm going to review these earphones by Boat. The model of these earphones is Baseheads 100. They are available on Amazon as well as Flipkart. They are in-ear headphones. They are white in color, as you can see. They cost for rupees 999. The MRP is rupees 999. You can get it cheaper under a sale. So I started using these earphones 2 years back. I got them under a sale for rupees 700 at that time. So as you can see, these look these are cushioned earphones plug in. You're supposed to put it inside your ear. Okay, so they came with extra cushions as well, earplugs. They came with 6 earplugs. I have already used 4 of them. So the good thing about this is that they come with extra bass. So the thing with this is the music quality is really good. As they are plug-in earphones, the length of the wire is 120 centimeters, so that is very comfortable. As you can see, it is pretty huge. You can use it from a distance as well. Also, I'll tell you some of the specifications. The speaker size is 10 mm. The frequency range is 20 to 20,000 hertz. The cable length is 120 centimeter, as I already said, and the plug pin, this plug pin is standard 3.5 mm plug pin. So they say that it is super extra bass, which is very true. The sound quality is excellent. They give a very beautiful bass. So the only negative thing I feel with this is they are a little fragile. So now that I've been using them for 2 years, this material has got torn. As you can see, the wire is also a little broken over here, and the material has got torn. So if you are someone who doesn't like to use their earphones very carefully, you might ruin them very quickly. But again, it has a 1 year warranty, and any damages within 1 year will be compensated by a new piece of earphones. And the best thing is that I have been using it for 2 years, and the none of the two have stopped working. So the worst thing about earphones is that one of your phone stops working suddenly and you can't do anything about it. But this is really good quality, and it has not stopped working as of yet, and they are in very good quality except the wire that is broken on one side. But that is, again, that depends on your handling. So if you handle it really well, I think you can use it for a very long time. It also comes with a microphone, a microphone as well as a button. So I think, yes, my recommendation would be people looking for an affordable piece of very good quality earphones. You should definitely go for this. Thank you.